Hey, what's up today, guys? It's Mark, and I'm taking a look at this 22 Ford because I had a customer that's interested in taking a look at it, so making a video for my page. You guys can check it out too. Just real quick, we're gonna go over it with the video camera here so you guys can see it, just in case you can't make it out to the dealership. My name is Mark, I sell cars, and this is one of the trucks I have for sale, along with all of these as well, but we're gonna focus on this one. Just showing it to you so you can see what kind of condition it's in. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. All right, guys, so here it is. It's a Ford Super Duty. See, it's got some hooks up front here. You got the big old Ford logo on this thing. It's a Lariat trim, so it's gonna be pretty nice on the inside. 6.7 power stroke. You can see here it's got blind spot detection. Let's take a look at the inside on this one. You got power seats. You got heated, cooled seats. Really big infotainment system. You got your diesel exhaust brake. Trailer brake controller there. Some power. Ooh, that's nice. A little center console action. Got two places for storage on your passenger side. Original owner's manual. It's nice. Center console up top. Got that leather trim going all the way through. It's kind of like a gray color, it looks like. Really clean. Looks like the previous owner may have had some 3M protection on your door edge guards there. Back here, we got some more power hookups in the back. Got your USB and all that good stuff. Then another plug in here. Then it looks got under seat storage in it as well. The seats do fold up and down. You got your power sliding back glass. Does have a bed over your back end here, and then this one's got leaf springs on it, and you can see you do have a bump stop on there as well. And it looks like they have maybe some, Bilstein aftermarket suspension on this one, so it's going to give it a little bit smoother ride. Got the 4x4 blind spot radar, so it looks like that'll probably extend to the rear of your bed and everything. It's got a hitch on the back. Let's go ahead and look inside here. Backup camera. Got all-weather floor mats. And then some cool stuff going on in here. It's a heavy tailgate. Then on the inside of the truck, you can see it's got 55,000 miles. Inside here, you got some stuff going on. The mileage, it's 55,292 on the mileage. You got 3 memory seats. Kind of like that trim there, pretty nice. Let's take a look inside here and see what kind of tech features this bad boy comes with. Got to use the key to start it. Wha-bam. Hear that old power stroke. Turn the volume down. And then you got this big old infotainment system inside this thing. So audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite radio, navigation, all that good stuff there. Then your driver display, cruise control obviously. You got clearance lights for your mirrors. It's got telescopic rear view mirrors, so they'll go in and out for you as well. Power adjusting foot pedals, automatic lights. Lots of good stuff in this one for sure. Yep, there's the truck. Thanks for watching the channel. My name is Mark, I sell cars. This truck's for sale if you're in the market for one. Thanks for watching the video. Reach me on my cell phone, 816-838-7012. If you're in the market for a vehicle, or just come on down to Moldy Dodge in Belton, Missouri and ask for Mark. Thanks a ton. I hope you're having a great day.